In this video, users will be walked through the layout of the Ultra-Based Navigation dashboard in Blackboard for CSU Pueblo instructors. When you log into Blackboard, you will automatically be directed to the Courses tab. In the Courses tab, you can find current, previous, and future courses, as well as campus-wide training courses. You can change the display between a list and grid view by toggling these icons on the left. You can search for a specific course by entering its course name or ID in this search field. You can limit the number of courses shown by selecting a specific term from the drop-down menu, but note that courses not assigned to a term will only display in the Other list, which is at the bottom of the course list when all terms is selected. Once you are done searching for a course, be sure to clear the search filters if you need to find another course. If you are enrolled in many courses, you may need to adjust the number of items shown per page from this drop-down list on the right, or by scrolling down to the bottom of your course list and selecting the next page of courses. As an instructor, you can mark courses as a favorite by clicking the star icon in the course box. This will move the course to the top of the list so it is easier to find. This can be helpful if you are in longer courses that are open for more than one semester and help you find current courses more quickly. Clicking the star icon again will remove the course from your favorites. It can be helpful to remove old courses and mark current courses as favorites at the beginning of each semester. Instructors have the option to hide courses from themselves, which moves them to a separate course list, which must be selected from the filters. To hide a course, click the ellipsis in the course tile and select the option for Hide Course. Once a course is moved to the Hidden list, it will not display in the All Courses filter when searched for. To access the course, you must select the Hidden from Me list in the course filter. This will display all the courses you have previously marked as hidden. To show the course again, from the Hidden list, you can click the ellipsis in the course tile and select the option to Show Course, which will move it back to your All Courses list. The Hidden feature can be a helpful method of limiting the amount of courses seen on your main course list. Just don't forget that some of your courses might be in the Hidden list. If a course is available to students, then it will be marked as open. Both instructors and students can access the course by clicking the course tile. If a course is not available to students, either because the semester has not started yet, or you have temporarily made it unavailable to make changes or updates to the course, then the course will show as closed and may have a date displaying to indicate the date that the course will become available to students. Usually this is the first day of the semester. As an instructor, you can access courses whether they are displaying as open or closed. Once you have opened a course, to close it, you can click the purple X in the upper left-hand corner. This will take you back to the Ultra-Based Navigation dashboard. The institution page of Based Navigation has many helpful links collected together for easy access. This includes information on how to contact the help desk if you are experiencing a technology issue, and also some links to help students find tutors and how to use library services. Below the institution page is your profile page, which will display your name. Here is where your personal information and notification settings can be updated. From this page, you can add a profile picture of yourself, which can be done by selecting the pencil option on the blank avatar to upload a new image, or you can update your pronouns, add an audio pronunciation of your name, and more. To update your privacy and notification settings, access the System settings on the right. The privacy settings are set to only instructors can view my profile information by default, but this can be changed by clicking the pencil icon in the setting box. The global notification settings can be adjusted so that you only receive notifications in your Blackboard activity stream, email notifications, and notifications through the Blackboard app that you find useful or helpful. Clicking the pencil icon here will display the settings, which can be selected or deselected by clicking the check boxes. Be sure to click Save at the bottom so your changes are saved. In the next tab, the activity stream, or stream, you can also access and change your notification settings by selecting the gear icon in the upper right corner. Next to the gear icon is a filter option for your stream so that you can either see all activity or limit the display to either assignments and tests or grades and feedback. These settings can be adjusted at any time from this page. The stream can display a lot of information, so adjusting your notification settings and filter options can help keep this area less overwhelming. Some types of information that can be displayed here include course announcements, announcements from academic technology for the campus, upcoming due dates, notifications of when courses and assignments have been added, alerts for student activity, and more. When you click on an item in the stream for a specific course, it will open that item within the course directly instead of you having to navigate to the course and then finding the needed information within the course. For example, clicking a new course availability notification will open that specific course. The stream can be a useful way to manage information across all of your courses in one place. Next, let's look at the Calendar tab. When something with a due date is added to a course, it is automatically added to the Blackboard calendar. You can customize how you view your calendar by toggling the options for viewing your schedule or due date on the left, or choosing to view your calendar by month instead of day on the right. From the calendar, I can click the assignment within a due date, and this will open the assignment within the course for me to view. You can also add your own events to your Blackboard calendar to help you keep track of office hours, research, and other life events by clicking the plus icon in the upper right corner. The Messages function is not currently available to students in Blackboard. Instructors are encouraged to post course information and updates through the Announcements feature in their courses, and students should contact their professor directly through their university email if needed. The Grades tab will show instructors the grades section of courses in which they are enrolled as an instructor. Each course will display some assignments, their categories, and how many there are to grade, if any. Clicking either the assignment or the To Grade link will open either the submissions received or take you to the full grade center of the course. The Tools tab in Base Navigation lists some of the tools available for instructor use. For courses using the Portfolio tool, that can be accessed from this Tools tab. To access and manage content and files across all of your courses, you can select the Content Collection option from this list. Lastly, in Ultra Base Navigation is the Sign Out button. By clicking this, you will sign out of Blackboard. That covers the basics of how to navigate through Ultra Base Navigation in Blackboard. If you encounter any issues after reviewing this walkthrough, please reach out to the help desk or submit a support ticket so that we may assist you. Good luck with your courses and with the semester.